Hello all, this is about how we build a simple hut with bamboos, stones and coconut leaf, palm leaf. So these are the stones which we bought from nearby store, and the moongils was bought from a neighboring farmland. And this is the plot where we are going to build the hut, and these are the craftsmen who are digging the holes to put the pillar in position. So this is how they dug all the holes with their hands, and then they lift the stones like this, and then they push all the sand and put some stones inside, and then they make it very tight, and all the four left side and right side pillars are in place now. Then they put all the bamboos in position, first the horizontal ones and the main ones. Since we are not going to put pillar in the center of the hut, there are only two poles which will be coming back side and front side of the hut, and all other bamboos are tied. Now the coconut palm leaf, dried leaf, which was like weaved, is put in position, and back side it was fully covered, and in the front they give this design which was very nice. And these craftsmen do their work in one day. Like, they put the stones, they put all the bamboos in position, and they tie all the palm leaves. This is the back side, and all the palm leaves are tied, and the bamboos are split, and then they're tied to the leaves, and one side of the leaf was tied. The same craftsman built her house which I posted before, and one side is finished now. Now they are going to the other side. Totally 8 people came, and they finished the work in one day. These people are from Mailam, nearby village, and this is how it looks inside. And outside now we are putting tar sheets which we bought from Skylane. These are not heavy, like very lightweight sheets. So these are going to be installed above the hut. So this is our friend Vinod. He is installing all the sheets. It was a one-man show. He did all by himself, and the little one is sitting about to just hold the sheet above, and this one side of it is finished, and this is the next side, and the top was covered with a iron sheet, and thus our learning hut is ready. If we have any updates, we'll update you.